This is a fit for a 2007 through 2015 Audi Q7 with factory installed flush side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Rapid Podium WingBar EVO base roof rack system. The system is using the WingBar EVO in silver, 47 inches in length, the 460R Rapid Podium Foot Pack, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber bases and the rubberized metal brackets, which grip to the flush side rail. This is part number KIT 4002. Maximum carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.